Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Thanks for stopping by today. If you're part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it. Alright, so today we're gonna cook outside. Look at what a glorious day God has provided us for today. So I decided to do a little short ribs on the smoker grill that I use. Alright, so come on back if you want to see how we do this. It's gonna be a real quick video. We're gonna do it vlog style so I can do it outside. Didn't want to mess with the camera, the tripods, or the lights and all that good shit I use. So we're just gonna do it outside and enjoy the day. All right, come on back. All right, guys. Unfortunately, we're right by the air conditioner, but look at this. This thing is fall apart, delicious. The dog is dying. I need some. Look at this. Soft, squishy, in a good way. A little fat running through there. Oh, the air conditioning kicked off. Cool. Like just pulling off the bone. So good. That bark is extra tasty. All right. That's the finished product right there. All right, everybody. Just the ingredients. We got our short ribs. Got a little crushed red pepper and a little of the bone sucking sauce. It sounds obscene, but it's very, very tasty. So what I did with these last night, I put both of these seasonings in there and dry rubbed it overnight. Okay. All right, guys, we're back. Smoker boxes are going, full in effect. Got it pretty hot in there to get the smoker boxes going, but I'm gonna turn down the heat just so we can get smoke in these bad boys without cooking them all the way through. All right, so we're gonna get these on. All right, sorry for a little shakiness. And get these on, get them smoked about an hour over the smoke boxes. Bone and bone. Got 6 lovely dry rubbed, about to be smoked. So now we're gonna pull these off, wrap them, put a little beef stock in there, a little cherry juice in there that I'm gonna help sweeten up the dish to cut off the heat that I used on the peppers and the seasoning. And that's it. All right, come on back. Now you might be asking yourself, after watching all of my videos, surely you can't be making another short rib recipe. 1, don't call me Shirley. And 2, it's freaking delicious. I love short ribs. Get over it, okay? Just make the damn recipes. Don't judge me. Look at you. You're judging me. You're judging me. Whoa, I'm judging me? Whoa, okay. All right, so come on back. All right, guys, we're back. We're gonna get these bad boys off. They've been on the smoker for an hour now. Smoke boxes are basically about spent. Look at the pullback. That's some serious pullback. A little bit more. Looking lovely and delicious. Okay, so what we're gonna do is take these off, put them in this heavy duty pan. Look at that. Oh, now look something like you want to eat. All right. Oh, so good. The bark on these things is redonkulous. Look at that. Sorry, I'm doing this with my iPhone. There's no camera, fancy camera work on this one. Whew, look at that. Look at that. All right. And there. Okay. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna close this so I don't burn anything. We have some beef stock here. We're just gonna pour some beef stock in there to help the braising process. Right. Let's say about a good cup. Okay. And now for the piece de resistance. That's right, I did that with one hand. We got some maraschino cherry juice. It's gonna add some sweetness to cut through the heat of the rub. Okay. So just a couple tablespoons. A little bit more. All right, good. All right, so we're gonna wrap this up, seal it tight, put it back on the grill, and let it go for another 3 hours. Okay, so these should be really moist and tender and delicious, and you can see my hand through the whole thing. What? All right, come on back. All right, guys, so we got these going about 3 hours, good to go. Let me move my finger out of the way. I'm gonna pull them off the grill, let them rest. Then we'll cut into them, okay? So while we're doing that, why don't you, if you haven't done so already, sorry, we're trying to get this light right, subscribe to the channel. All right, what do you think? I think it's a good idea, don't you? Right on. Subscribe, hit that button, share the video. I don't know if you like this vlog style, but I kind of dig it since it's such a beautiful day outside. Look at that. All right, come on back. Short ribs cook. We're doing a little league. Brady James is out there somewhere. Go Blue Jays.
Run hard.
All right, guys, we're about to pull this bad boy off, and we're gonna get it, put it over on the table, let it rest, wrap it up with a towel, keep it insulated, and we'll come on back. Guys, we're gonna taste test this bad boy. Don't mind the pool mess over there. But got me a nice little chunk right here. Look at that. Look at that. Oh damn. Oh, so juicy, so meaty, so lovely. That's what you call finger looking good. All right, so let me recap. You get, excuse me, how we got here. Short ribs, dry rub them overnight in the fridge. Pull them out in the morning, let them come to temp. Got whiskey wood barrel chips in my grill. Put the short ribs on the top rack of the grill, let all that smoke come up underneath it. All right, about an hour, got all that smoke, exhausted the smoke boxes. All right, put it in some tin foil, little beef stock, little cherry juice on there, which you can totally taste. It comes through, good flavor, made it a little sweeter, love it. All right, another 3 hours, pulled it off the grill, wrapped it up in the towel for about an hour, and this is where we're at. All right, of course, you know I'm in the backyard, so you know I got a beer. Good stuff. Take a drink. Cheers, y'all. All right, that's it. Your boy's gonna be a barbecuer after all. So good. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for stopping by. Thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care now.